Erica breaks the internet with magnificent beauty and outfits of herself. A video making rounds on social media sees ex-housemate of Big Brother Naija Lockdown Season 5, Erica, looking very stylish. Erica has defied the odds of being deeply affected by her disqualification from the Big Brother Naija house following her disrespect for rules and regulations governing the house. As can be seen on social media, Stargirl is more vibrant than ever regardless of the disgrace the disqualification might have brought upon her. In the video, Erica was spotted in a beautiful makeup and matching outfit which describe her happy mood and new life. What's your take on this, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below.